So we're at the Lexo Hub in Maroubra, and just behind me we've got a community garden, two community gardens we've just installed, and they're wicking garden beds. So wicking garden beds are designed to save water and soil. And the Lexo community wanted to kind of socialise, and the best way to do that is to be outside and also grow their own plants and eat them. So we've planted veggies and herbs, capsicum, chilli, pumpkin, corn, beetroot, onion and garlic, and they're kind of main ingredients that we can use every day in the kitchen. So not only it's benefiting our community, but also it's benefiting our health and well-being.
We've been operating for close to 2.5 years now in one of our most disadvantaged areas in the South Maroubra local government area. So one of the things that community asked us for was they wanted a community garden, and we could address that social isolation. They also wanted to know how to cook on a budget or cook for just one or two people.
As you can hear and also see, that everyone's been highly involved. From putting the garden beds together to stages of creating the wicking garden beds to even planting and now spreading mulch. So I'm going to come back once a month and do workshops and working bees catering to what this community needs, and I feel as if that way the community will be more engaged in their health and well-being, but also socially, which is very important around here.
Man of many talents.